Come on, Maya, let's watch a cartoon.
Yay, my favorite cartoon!
Shh, Maya. Mom is sleeping. Please keep your voice low.
Okay, Dad. This is so funny!
Shh. Please be quiet.
Dad, can I make some popcorn?
Yes, but be very careful.
Don't make noise. Okay.
Huh? What was that noise?
I'm sorry. Maya dropped the bowl.
Okay, but I still feel very tired.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too, Mom.
Let's make the TV quieter. Dad turned the volume down. I'll turn the TV volume down.
That's better. Dad, I like this cartoon.
Me too. Let's watch it quietly.
Okay. Dad, I have an idea.
Tell me. Let's turn off the TV.
Let's turn off the TV. Dad, I have an idea.
That's a good idea.
We can read a book together.
This story is very nice.
Yes. I like reading with you.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
I'm happy to hear that.
I'm sorry, Mom. It's okay, my dear.
When someone is resting, we should keep the house quiet.
I understand, Dad.